Can you really eat muffins, pizza, burgers, biscuits, rolls, and other delicious breads and still burn fat? Yes, if you eat these healthy, grain-free, keto-friendly breads. As you may know, our overconsumption of wheat, most often in the form of traditional bread, is probably the #1 factor in the declining health of our population. It intoxicates your body, spikes blood sugar, increases food cravings, promotes inflammation, torments your digestive system, and wreaks havoc on your overall health. And the worst part is, the more breads you eat, the more confidence-stealing, energy-sucking, potentially life-ending body fat you gain. But it doesn't have to be this way. Our friend Kelly Herring is a nutritional biochemist and leading recipe developer, whose unique recipes have helped millions of everyday people experience radically improved health and faster fat loss. Her new, best-selling book Keto Breads contains a wealth of exclusive grain-free bread baking tips, plus 35+ healthy, keto-friendly bread recipes, with 5 grams net carbs or less. If you want to enjoy your favorite breads and still lose weight, or you're simply looking for healthy breads that are easy to prepare, discover how easy it is to enjoy the breads you love. And be well, too. Link in the description and first comment below.